Ezzy Loves Cross Sans, or I should call myself Ezzy the Cinder Fox that loves cross sans. Because I really want to change my name, but I can't really because I can't change my name like 3 times or something like that. But I'd rather be called that for now, but I'll still call myself Ezzy the Loves Cross Sans, I guess. Okay, so the reason why I made this video is because I just realized that I've been making a lot of shitpost videos, like the early birthday and the sans pie and like my cousin's fighting and everything, that one. And the one I just posted about the one I'm a sinner, help me, or like something like that. And when I just realized that I was posting shitpost, I realized that I'm not motivative. It takes me like an hour or two to get back to motivative because mostly it just happens sometimes. But I get back to motivative really quickly sometimes. Well, sometimes. It mostly takes me a day or two to get back on or something because I really want to do this meme and I really want to go live, but the apps that I'm downloading to go live, they say that I don't have the right phone to do it. That's why I haven't gone live or anything. Sorry to scare you or something like that. Yeah, so forgive me. I will get back on motivated because I feel like I'm motivated to do the meme that I actually want to do. I'm not telling you because you might know what meme is coming next and that'll be a spoiler. Because I'm doing like 2 memes, I guess. I'll tell you one. It's already in a video. It's called The Change the Freak. I can't say it. I can't say anything today, so forgive me, please. So, yeah. Please kill me for being a sinner because all of you hate me now. I know it. I just know it. And that's fine. I should be hated because I have so much depression. Yay. Oh my god. So, yeah. Just hate me for this, please, because I don't know what I'm doing in life anymore. I'm freaking posting that I'm a sinner and that I'm a freaking pervert, even though I'm not, but I'm a sinner, but I'm not really the pervert. I used to be an innocent person, but now I am not. Because for freaking some reason, I don't know. I just watched a bunch of comic book, and then that happens, and then boom, I'm a freaking sinner. Right there and quickly. So, sorry, I guess. And bye, I guess. Baka baka.